The innovation on the pivot belay device is when the rope is locked, it can become very difficult to release. So we've added this hinge feature, which basically just uses really simple leverages to change the point at which the device pivots and releases the rope. Incremental improvement, we found that belay devices with this guide configuration, that's what we call it, they've been on the market for decades, but they all had the same problem, which was a difficulty with releasing once they've been locked up. And this has caused accidents in the past. People have had difficulties. It puts people off using this kind of great feature because it can lead to situations where it can become very difficult to use. And we wanted just to make a product that worked every time and was easy to use in all situations. We were like, we've kind of got this great idea for something new. It solves this problem. We should look at it a little bit, you know, just experiment with the idea. And it was that experimentation that kind of led us, committed us further to the idea. It reduces the amount of force that you need to lever the belay device in order to release the ropes, so you could lower the climber. And it does this enough to take it to a threshold where you can do it by hand. With other guide plates, you often have to rig up quite a complex system of kind of pulleys in order to use your whole body weight to try and release the guide plate once it's locked. With the pivot, it's lowered the force enough that you can just do it with your hand with a carabiner as a lever, and that means it's so much more ergonomic to use in all the environments that you might find you using it in.